what I gotta do to let y'all niggas know I am the nicest ever. Hardcore, commercial. What you wanna do? You wanna wild up? You wanna dance? Don't matter to me, I got it all locked down, baby.
Y'all wanna know why you don't stop? Y'all wanna know why you don't flop? Let me tell you people why. Came from the bottom to the top. I 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 came from the bottom to the top. Where we countin' bread like the toi. All these pussies, but I'm still a cock. French kiss the pussy.
Like moi.
7D came from the block. Time is money, so we tick tock. Death comes at 3, so we tick boom. Grind so hard you can feel me in the room. Almost died in my motherfucking car, but I'm aligned to these motherfucking scars. I'm a nova to these motherfucking stars, so I'm shining like a motherfucking star. Look at me and my greatness. Nikes on with no laces. Black on black like I'm racist. Mastermind, I'm so shameless. Real talk, you ain't fucking with me. Real shit, you ain't fucking with the realist. Realist, silicone to your fake shit. Fake shit, you be walking around with fake tits. Fuck that, you know who the king be. SD, man, I'm all up in your memory. Memory, like I'm talking at your eulogy. Eulogy, rest in peace to your family. Y'all wanna know why you don't stop? Y'all wanna know why you don't flop? Let me tell you people why. Came from the bottom to the top. I 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 lost my watch, so I lost my time. Lost my time, so I lost my grind. Lost my grind, so I lost my crib. Lost everything, but I got my kids. Lost everything, but I got my kids. Shit get real when you lose your shit. Shit get real when you lose your mind. So I gotta brainstorm just to keep what's mine. Gotta keep what's mine, so I cross that line. So I cross that line to commit a crime. Life is a bitch to the bitch is mine. So niggas get jealous, wanna take what's mine. Wanna take what's mine, so I got that 9. And I pop that 9 like I pop my wine. So I pop that 9 just to get fucked up, cause I lost everything. 7D give up, but I can't give up cause I got my kids. Drinking all day won't help you live. Smoking all day won't let you live. Smoking on loud, but I can't hear shit. Started from the bottom like my daddy did. Started from the bottom like my mommy did. So I got no problem, put your back your wig. That's the true definition of your wig getting did.